Hi friends, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Brooks GF series with the Measurement Plus control box. Now what I have done here, I'll just quickly explain it to you. I've connected the power cable here, and after that power cable we have a transformer which will give you plus minus 15 volt to power the GF series. Now that's the RS232 connection which goes into there, which has an RS485 converter inside, and that's your cable right at that slot which goes directly onto your PC RS232 port just at the back. So once all that is ready, then you need to just go and turn on the software. I'll just show it to you how to do that. So that's the software Celerity User GUI. We just wait for it to begin. That's it pretty much. So that's a software which will be used to give a set point and to control the flow rate and everything. Now what you do is right up there in the port, you will have to select the port as COM1, or you can just go on your task manager, device manager, see where your RS232 port is and select it. So on my PC it's COM1, so I've selected that. Then you have to click get devices and it will find the TMF. Now before we do that, we'll just turn on the power. Yep, so I'll just turn it on from there. That's it. As you can see on the top, the light has glowed and it is currently showing you a MAC ID. Now the MAC ID for this GF is 39. As you can see, the status LED and everything is on. So probably it's powered and everything, and we should now be able to detect the device. So I will click get devices and we'll just search it for some time. As you can see, found one devices. Now the device which it finds, it will display you the MAC ID on the top as 39, which is same, and then it also gives you the bin size of the GF, which is SH42, the model number, the serial number, sensor number, firmware, and it will give you a set point. Currently it is at 0, so it's giving you a 0 reading. Then it will give you flow in SCCMs. There's nothing flowing, as you can see. It's all blocked off, so it doesn't give you any flow. Then it gives you a pressure, temperature inside the GF, and then it gives you the valve voltage. This is the valve voltage, which is 100% at the moment. Then at the bottom it gives you an active gas and what range that gas is. So the gas code is 13-N2 and it's for the range of 92 SCCM. Now I'm going to show you how to give set points. So you click on option and then you see a different set of variables there, and you click on set point. Once you click on set point, you will get this table. Now in here you just give a set point of 50% of full scale and you press accept, and then you return, and you see it will give you a set point of 50. So the valve, if I would have any gas flowing, then you would see the flow increase. And there are other things which you can do with the software. You can give set point, you can data log, and other wonderful things. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calibrate it for a new gas, select new gas. So that's the table where you can see if you want to select a new gas, you just give a new code and the flow range and then change, then it will select the new gas. Currently it's for nitrogen. If I want any other gas, I can select the current gas, or I can change the gas from here. But we do have a different software which you can use if you want to change the gases, and that software is called MGMR config, which is the multi-flow configurator software. If you open that one up and select the COM port as 1, and then you do pole network. Now this will obviously search for the MFC. Yep, so you got the MFC there, MFC 39 online, and then you see the MAC ID and everything is shown there. Now right on the right hand side, if you go on the configure devices, it will open up a tab which will actually allow you to change the gases. So it's currently on SH42 bin size, as you can see, and from here you can select different gases. So here is a very big database of gases, hydrogen, chlorine, or anything. Just in case, if I select chlorine now, then I should just give it a flow rate, say 100, see if that works. Now when I give it a flow rate of 100, the bin size changes to SH43. Now this device is running on SH42 bin size, so certainly it can't handle that flow rate. So what I will do is I will just change it to maybe 80 and see if it can handle that. No, 80 doesn't work, it's still SH43. 70, no. 60, no. 50. So for 50 SCCM, this device will work very fine for chlorine. And for different gases, you see you have different flow rates. All you have to do is enter a flow rate which matches your original bin size. So until and unless you're in that range, you can configure everything. And if I will hit this configure button, this GF will be calibrated for chlorine running at 50 SCCM. Now you can use any different gases, any flow rates, until unless you stay in the same bin size. So it's a very cool device. And then here what you can do is, you see there are 13-14 numbers. You can actually daisy chain as many devices as you want. Now this control box which I have built is actually for running 2 GFs. So I have GF1, GF2, so I can connect 2 GF series at a single time, and then just use a single cable to the PC to use the software. So it's pretty easy. The best thing I found out about this is it's so much user friendly once you know how to do it, and everything is very easy. But there is a difficulty of running these software on Windows 7, and I'm using a Windows XP, and it runs pretty fine on Windows XP. So all you need is a laptop or a computer with Windows XP and an RS-232 port to be able to do that. Alright, thank you very much folks, and bye for now.